There are very few places on this planet that can leave you truly speechless. Places that are so beautiful, your brain cannot truly process what you are witnessing. They leave you captivated. They leave you inspired. Known for its magnificent waterfalls, active geysers, and captivating landscapes, Iceland is no exception to one of these awe-inspiring locations. For 800 years, Iceland's Meradalir remained dormant, but for the second time in less than a year, it began to awake from its slumber, prompting us to quickly pack our bags and book the quickest flight out we could. Through the night, a solar flare interrupted our flight, and we watched in awe as the Aurora Borealis danced through the skies. Pillars of green and blue took over the star-filled skies, flickering back and forth like Christmas. And as the sun rose, Greenland's majestic glaciers and mountains were revealed. We finally arrived for what we came for, and the most insane trip of all of our lives was set to begin.